And here we go again, another bout with the belt. And I am here at the zone this morning, on my way to Louisville actually. And it got to making noise, and I figured that it was time I need to put a belt on it. Uh-oh, wrong way. Whoops. I'm kind of abusive with it here. There we go. Yeah, this thing was just about had it. I don't think I'd want to try to drive to Louisville like that. And I've got a brand new Dayco brand belt. It comes with instructions. It doesn't say. It's probably made in China. Oh well. I take that back. Made in USA. About time. And I'll go ahead and set you down right there. I think that I will. Let me turn this tripod around or something. I don't know. It's not really wanting to set too well. There we go. Belts are always a pain in the behind to install. Let's leave that loose. And you can see I'm just routing this around this air injection pump. Here we go. I have to turn the camera off. It requires 2 hands. Okay, I've wrestled it around for 15 minutes, it seems like. Now, let's see if I can stretch it out. It'll work. And there we have it. A brand new serpentine belt installed. Alright, now let's see how long it'll last. Sounds good so far. All quiet. That should do it. Thanks for watching.